So the goal of this bot was pretty simple. This AI was pretty simple. Do the work that I don't want to do. So reach out to customers, phone calls, doing the work of reaching out and doing cold calls is something, if you can automate, is just a big deal. The bot was supposed to do one thing. Get the information here. So this was the first step. Step number 1. Step number 2 will be create the script. Step number 3 will be get appointments. And step number 4 will be making a lot of money and be rich and live on an island, right? So this was the overall structure of this whole idea of getting AI to do this work for you. But let me tell you something, guys. This thing just doesn't work. Doesn't work at all. It's not ready. You can say whatever you want. Maybe you need to create a better script, create this. If a tool is ready, it's even easy to use. I follow all the tutorials. I created a script that was perfect, and the AI was actually reading the script, saying, script starting. Come on. So I will let you listen to some of the recordings right now, because it's funny to do that, but I want to give you my feedback. So if you don't want to watch the entire video, I will just tell you, don't use AI right now, not ready. It will be maybe ready eventually in the future. Put this thing on the side and maybe check it in a few months. If it works, I will make a follow-up video for this. But right now, just doesn't make any kind of sense. I'm here on the computer right now, and these are the calls that AI actually did. I didn't test it with 2 calls. I did the test saying, hey, from today on, start calling people. I will give you my opinion about this, because I think if you want to test something, this should be useful. I will just let you listen to some of these recordings. One thing that I really don't like is the bot doesn't wait for the person to respond on the phone. And you can see this bot just starts talking without anybody on the phone. For example, this recording over here.
Hey, Robin.
See?
Hello?
And now the person responds.
Hello? Yeah, it's Alexander from Air.A. How's your day going so far? From where?
See?
Where are you calling from? It looks like you... Okay, perfect.
I don't know what is happening in this phone call. Yeah, and it just hung up. So, Alexander, my bot is called Sarah. I don't know why it saved Alexander. Then let's see this other call.
Bienvenue chez Cambi.
Hey, Philippe.
Appuyez sur le 9. If you know your...
The call just started with, hey, Philippe. They need to, this is a feedback I'm giving. They need to wait for the person to respond. That was in the script. Wait for the person to respond and then after give the information. But I don't know. I'll let you listen to a couple more.
Good afternoon. Hey, Susie.
Hey, Susie.
Hello? Wait for prospect to respond.
See, wait for prospect to respond. Like, is reading from the script. Like, again, I will let you listen to this one more time.
Hello? Wait for prospect to respond.
Wait for prospect to respond. You can have that a tool say wait for prospect to respond. The voice is pretty fine. You can tell this is a robot, but the thing is you can't just have someone calling like this. Let's go and listen and trying to listen to another one. And just this is the last one. I just want to give you some examples,
Hey, Peter.
See, like, for example, here, the phone is just ringing and the AI is already saying, hey, with the name of the customer. And that was, again, it was in the script saying, wait until the customer responds and then start reading the script.
American Insurance. American Insurance. Yeah, it's Alexander from Air.ai. How's your day going so far?
How can I help? Well, thank you. How can I help you?
Yeah, so it looks like you opted into one of our ads looking for information on how to scale your business using AI. Is that...
See, that was not the script. So the person in this case just hung up the phone and, nothing happened. So yeah, this is my feedback. I told you guys I was testing it and trying to see if this is something useful for the company. At this moment, I think has a really high potential to become something useful, but like in this status like this, that's not useful. And again, I said this in my previous video. With this company, they reach out to me and ask, for investment in the company. The minimum was $10,000. I just want to say this to be 100% transparent, because this is what I want to do in my channel. So I decided not to do it. I know the other people that follow my videos did the same thing, so they were contacted by the company and they didn't went ahead and invested in the company. So my recommendation is not to do it right now. The tool doesn't work. You saw it, and it's not ready. We can have right now an AI doing outreaches in this status, because it just doesn't work. So to sum up everything, 0 appointment. I need to do it myself. I have a new video coming up, probably not next week, because next week will be the video on the restaurant bot, but the week after I will publish a video on a new way to try and get customers, with a cool way to try and get the attention from the customer. It won't be cold calling, it won't be something new that I didn't see people doing before. So if you didn't, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next videos, and you will be always updated with new tools that you can try to use. I hope this video was helpful for people on the fence trying to understand if they want to use this tool, and I think the response is pretty simple. So let me know again in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching all this video, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video.